Want to prepare for UGC NET Economics 2025 December attempt? Confused about what to study? Let me help you out. Here's a breakdown of the most important topics from each unit that you simply can't afford to skip. As per UGC NET 2025 June exam, a total of 6 questions were asked from the unit Growth and Development. I have outlined all the main topics and their subtopics. The very first is the measures of development, in which you have to do the physical quality life index, human development index, gender inequality index, multi-dimension poverty index at the level of national and international levels. Then national multi-dimension poverty index, NFHS 4 and FHSS 5 report. Next one is the inequality, in which you have to do the Lorentz curve, Gini coefficient, Simon-Kuznets curve, income quantile ratio and Balmer ratios. Then in the theories of economic growth, you have to do the Adam Smith theory, Malthus, David Ricardo, Karl Marx, Schumpeter, Rostow, Harrod-Dommer model. Then neoclassical model, we have Solow model, Adam Phillips model. In the Cambridge growth model, you have to do John Robinson and Calder model. All the endogenous growth models are important. Then moving on to the theories of development, balanced growth theory, unbalanced growth theory, big push theory, critical minimum effort, low level equilibrium trap, and Lewis, Feirenes and Harris-Todaro theories are important. Next, moving on to the theory of dualism, you only have to learn their propounders as well as their meaning in one line. Next, again very repeated question is technical progress. After that, in the miscellaneous topics, you have to do the shadow pricing, dependency theory and two-gap model. But the most important one is the poverty and its committee and Previs-Singer hypothesis. Again, moving on to the investment criteria, you have to only learn their propounders and their reviewers, so that if they come in the chronology question, you can easily attempt them. This is all about the important topics of growth and development theory. I hope you like it. Thank you.